How to pay with cash on Wolt. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to pay with cash on Wolt. So if you do not do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to open your Wolt app on your mobile phone, just like I've done here. And once you've launched it on your mobile phone, on your screen you see a picture that looks like a map. You see the name of countries on this map, and you see several locations of what restaurants on the map. So if you want to check any of them out to see the one that is closer to you or that is nearest to you, can check it out and just examine it carefully. And once you've seen any of the what restaurants that is nearest to you, click on it and you place your order. Now, to pay with cash on Wolt app, you take a look at the lower part of your screen. You see 5 icons at the lower part of your screen. You see the you see the discovery icon, you see the restaurant icon, you see the stores icon, you see the search icon, and the profile icon. So you click on the profile icon, which is the last icon and the 5th icon on the row. So once you click on it, you wait patiently for the profile page to load, and under this profile page that's loaded on my screen, you see tokens. So if you want to use your tokens, you can go ahead. If you want to use your credits also, you can go ahead. Also, you would see options to invite your friends or to enter promo code. You see option to check your history order and so on. So just after history order, we have settings. So under settings, we have account, we have credits and tokens, then we have payment methods. So if you want to learn how to pay with cash on Wolt, you simply click on payment method. Payment method is just after credit and tokens. Once you click on it, you wait for the page to load, and just like I'm waiting here, remember, once you're using this app, you have to be patient because there are times that you have to wait for it to load. So don't be impatient when you're using this app. So here the option has been displayed on my screen. Here I have credit and debit card. So here there's no option to pay with cash on Wolt. What we have here is to pay with your card, either your credit card or your debit card. So if you have either of these two, that is your credit card or your debit card, you simply click on the option to add new card. You can click on the option to add new card, then a page will be displayed on your screen where you'll be asked to input the numbers, the card number, that's the numbers on your credit or your debit card. So you should have your credit or your debit card with you. Just check those numbers and start typing them into the box here. So once you've typed them into the box, you see the option to add or not to add. So if you want to really add your new card, that is your credit or your debit card, you simply click on it. So but if you don't want to add anymore, you click on don't add. So remember, there is no option to pay with cash on Wolt app. Or the option you have is to use either your credit card or your debit card. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.